Hello, my name is Diego, and today we're going to be talking about my philosophy of education. First, I'm going to be talking about for example, if a doctor is or a nurse is brought to a new patient with a different disease, they need to think about it, be critical about it, and try to find a solution. Also, I talked about that. Also, that I was leaning to progressivism because they were talking about problem solving abilities and helping children to do what they want to do. I believe problem solving abilities is a goal, it's like the problem solving skills, to have problem solving skills, critical thinking skills. And also, I like how they started for essentialism that teachers are experts of content knowledge and how it connected to the video. That yes, educators need to have a passion for what they're teaching, but that doesn't mean they have to influence it on the students because they can have different interests. And lastly would be the curriculum. Although essentialism is basically strong today, and might be leaning later in the future to another principle of education. I agreed on its basic skills again, its discipline knowledge, and scholastic achievement. And scholastic achievement moved me to try to make the students have increased their academic success. Again, for progressivism, it states again problems and interdisciplinary solution seeking. In conclusion, although today's philosophy is more focused on essentialism, sometimes I lean to the others at times. For example, progressivism, and sometimes a little bit romanticism, where although it does counteract with essentialism, where it's more children based, and they don't view them as evil, but it's more focused on society.